So here we go with the standards, the electrical standards. And what I'm going to do is take a photograph inside of could be anything, but I'll just turn to this page. And we've got something there, 544.1.2, main protective bonding connection. This is the actual picture that I've taken of it, just to speed things up. And what we're going to do is load that onto the computer, and there's the JPEG, typical format for most cameras, what they'll take. And if I drop that into a Word document, as you can see, it's uneditable. It just imports the actual JPEG itself. So what I'm going to do is just open another window, and we're going to have a look at how we can actually convert this to some editable text. So I'm going to save, first of all, this image as a PDF. So I'm going to export it as a PDF, and then I'll drop that onto the desktop. So I'm going to rename it. So I'm going to call it PDF test, just for clarity, and it should appear on the desktop. So next I'm going to import that PDF, and then we can see it, it's saved in today's recent things that I've accessed. So I'm going to import that, and now it's converting it from a PDF to usable text. So while it's doing that, it'll soon pop up on the screen. There we go. And as we can see, we can now edit this document. So I'm just going to readjust it so we can see the fonts and everything, because I'm going to actually change the size of the font. So I'll highlight the area that I want to change, which is that middle bit, 544.1.2. Just a bit tricky to get it. There we go. So I'm going to change that to something like Calibri and make it sort of 14, so it's nice and big. If I want to change the colour, I'm going to change it to red, make it pop out. Then I'm going to actually copy it again, and I'm going to paste it into the page underneath, because I can then import it into another document or whatever I want to do with it. So I can copy that and then scroll down the page, or open another document if I wanted to do, and I can actually paste that into a separate application or into an additional document in Word. So I can include it in an email or anything, and obviously it's completely editable. So that's basically the easy way to convert a PDF document, which starts life as a JPEG or a photograph, into editable text in Word. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like the video and hit that subscribe button.